Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by checking Essentials. Make sure firmware is current and both Wi-Fi radios are switched on. Once done, open the router app or web interface and locate Smart Connect under Wireless Settings. You will assign a single SSID or choose split names, depending on your plan. I recommend one SSID for seamless roaming unless specific devices need a band. Make sure to note device MACs now, so you can prioritize or exclude them in the next step. Now you configure band steering, which moves devices to the optimal radio. This reduces interference and improves throughput. Select automatic mode so the router evaluates signal and load. Set channel width to 20/40/80 MHz based on your environment, because wider channels give speed but increase interference. Next, assign priority to latency-sensitive devices or lock a device to a specific band if you observe instability. Once adjusted, finish by validating behavior. You should test roaming and throughput with typical devices, moving through coverage areas while watching signal strength and which band the device uses. If clients stick to the wrong band, try rebooting the router, toggling Smart Connect off and back on, or locking problem devices to a band temporarily. This often clears cached associations. If problems persist, reduce channel width or set manual channels to avoid local interference. Those steps usually resolve the few edge cases that remain.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.